Next up, paint the target. In this we need to kill 20 mercenaries with precision airstrikes and hit a mercenary convoy with a precision airstrike and finally hit a Merc Camp with a precision airstrike. This should be simple enough. What you need is obviously precision airstrikes. I unfortunately don't have any, so what you'll need to do in my case is farm up a bunch of cash and make your way to a buy station. While you can find these things randomly, it's far more reliable to just buy them. That being said, if you are going to find them, you'll probably find them inside of nether fortresses and things like that, inside of these crystal chests. But in my case, I don't see any of these. So clearing out the area by the buy station, we can now buy precision airstrikes here for 5,000 a pop. Let's go ahead and drop some items that we don't really need. Got 2 of these, so we can then buy 1 and 2 precision airstrikes. The first one goes straight to your active slot, so if you're holding something there, make sure you pick it up after you drop it. Now all we need to do is make our way over to a mercenary camp and hit it with a precision airstrike. The convoy you usually won't really find except for early game, as it just travels around in a huge circle around the tier 2 zone. You'll note when you see it, and if you find 3 vehicles lying all empty on the map, it means someone's probably already found it and done it for the most part. Heading straight over a mercenary camp, let's go ahead and equip our ability, and precision airstrike somewhere right in the middle of the biggest group you can find. With this, you should hopefully get a few kills, so here we go. There's a handful, we got 2 kills, and we successfully done it to a mercenary camp. So we've now completed the third part of this mission, and we've got 5 out of 20, which is great, actually. What we need to do now is find our way to a vehicle, and hopefully we'll be able to find the convoy traveling somewhere around the map. So we'll head around to this highway that travels around, and somewhere in this highway we'll usually find the convoy. As far as I remember, it travels counterclockwise, so if we travel clockwise along this road, we should hopefully run into them a little bit faster. That is if they're already here. If we zoom around, I don't see 3 vehicles just lying by each other. That also being said, they don't always stick to this highway, so you may not find them. I think they probably just spawn in randomly, maybe not only at the beginning of the game, so once again our chances may be a little bit low. Not to mention there's only 3 minutes left of this, so we might not get this done. That being said, if you're trying to get the rest of the mercenary kills, this is probably the best way to do it, as there's maybe 4 per vehicle. There's 3 vehicles, so that's probably about 12 of them. This is absolutely the quickest way to get all of them, especially considering they're all so closely packed together. You'll probably want to call it in and then distract them so they stop and climb out, while hopefully staying close enough grouped together to get them all with one single precision airstrike. There's a few armored cars parked here, so I think 2 convoys have already been attacked and cleared, which isn't the best of news, so we might not find them for some time. We'll kit up once more and get going with collecting some cash. Not to mention we also do have an airstrike still on us, but I think let's get just one more and then start finding some mercenaries. 17% packet loss is not great at all. This server is terrible. Oh, well, yeah, that is not good. Yikes. Well, there goes all of our progress. The game giveth, and the game taketh. Or rather, the game just takes. Nice. Perfect. What a brilliant server. And everything we had is permanently gone. Cool. I love this game. Another way we can get tons of mercenary kills is something like a ground station. Unfortunately, there's a convoy here, and I don't have a precision airstrike on me. So instead, we'll hopefully head out of here, grab one, and get back. So we'll quickly grab this and strike right next to us. Let's see. I don't actually see anyone here. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's strike right here. Move out of the way, and hopefully we get more than just 5. We got 1, 2, 3. Okay, not terrible. No, actually, a whole bunch more. We're at 12. We got 7 of them. Sweet. That's actually really good. Okay, well, I think even though there's still a whole bunch of them here, maybe we should just use our other one. So we'll call that in again and hopefully get even more. 1, 2, just 2 of them. Okay, kind of worth it. All right, so coming back again with just 1 airstrike on us. Let's see if we can get some cash and get this done. We only need to hit a mercenary convoy and we're pretty much done here. So we probably don't even need more cash or another airstrike really. We just need to drive around literally until we get everything done. This could take some time. Keeping a close eye on the map while we drive around the highway, we should find exactly what we're looking for, hopefully soon. Well, we've got a notification that there's a convoy closing on us, which is great. I'd love to know where they are because I don't see them. So we'll simply hang around in the southwest area. There they are. All right, let's go ahead and call it an airstrike, probably just over there. Wait a few seconds and distract them. Now that they've stopped there, bang, 1 and probably another one. No. Anyways, we should now have this done, hopefully. That can't Well, we got a convoy airstriked. However, for some reason, the actual bot kills didn't count. I assume that's because they were inside of the vehicle, so the vehicle killed them and not my airstrike, even though I got points. But anyways, weird things happen. At least we finished the most difficult part of this. All we need to do now is get enough money to buy another airstrike, then head across to a normal camp and clear it out as well. Should be simple enough. We just need another 5 mercenaries in case the drone is still here. There's a whole bunch of them. Yeah, we can airstrike maybe that position. Let's see. Will we get everything that we need? Hopefully. Let's see. Counting on it. 18, 19. Okay. Well, now we need to go get ourselves some more money, obviously. Bonk. One last precision airstrike. Finally, we can mark another camp. So, oh geez, there's not really anything close to us. Okay, so heading down to what is probably the last camp over here. Let's see. We'll call it an airstrike, I suppose, right over there. Hopefully that gets everyone that we need. And we got at least one. There we go. Paint the target is now complete. So, thank you all for watching. Hopefully you found this video somewhat useful. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.